There was a time when food came from the ground without question. Seeds were planted, seasons passed, and harvests followed. That certainty is gone. In the future, agriculture is no longer a tradition. It is an experiment repeated every day. This is not the story of abundance. It is the story of survival, told through a single seed. The vault. Beneath layers of steel and climate-controlled walls, seeds are no longer stored. They are protected. Each vial holds genetic memory, plants that once thrived in soils that no longer exist. Some seeds are decades old, others are the last of their kind. They are cataloged, monitored, and guarded because replacing them is impossible. In the future, losing a seed is not a mistake, it is extinction. Choosing life. Not every seed is planted. Resources are limited. Water, energy, time, all measured carefully. A seed must earn its chance to grow. Scientists and technicians examine each one, checking structural integrity, moisture retention, and stress tolerance. Planting is no longer hopeful, it is selective. The outside world. Beyond the facilities, the land tells a different story. Soil cracked by heat, wind carrying salt instead of moisture, weather that no longer follows patterns. Traditional farming fails here, not because humans stopped trying, but because the planet changed faster than crops could adapt. The future of agriculture moves away from open land and into controlled spaces.
4. First contact with soil. When a seed is finally planted, it is done slowly. Protective suits shield the human body from dust, radiation, and contamination. The soil used is engineered, balanced, filtered, and temporary. This soil is not trusted, it is gotten. The seed is placed gently because this may be the only chance it gets. 5. Precision over instinct. Human hands once defined farming. In the future, they guide machines. Robotic arms plant seedlings with perfect consistency, depth, pressure, spacing, every variable controlled. There is no room for instinct here, only data. The goal is not speed, the goal is survival. 6. The first signs. When the seed breaks open, no one celebrates. A sprout is only a possibility, not a success. Sensors track leaf temperature and growth rate. Light cycles shift minute by minute. Every young plant is watched closely because failure often comes quietly. 7. Growth without nature. Rows of seedlings grow under artificial suns. Air is filtered, humidity is recycled. Carbon dioxide is measured, not wasted. Plants no longer rely on weather, they rely on systems. Nature has not disappeared, but it is no longer in control. 8. Roots in the air. Eventually, soil is removed altogether. Roots hang freely, absorbing nutrient mist delivered in precise pulses. This method uses a fraction of the water traditional farming once required, but it is fragile. Too much moisture invites disease, too little stops growth. In the future, food grows from balance, not abundance. 9. Harvest without fear. Harvest no longer means machines crossing land. It happens indoors, quietly, carefully. Every plant is evaluated, not just for food, but for seeds. The real success is not what was eaten, but what can be planted again. 10. The cycle continues. New seeds collected, sealed, and returned to store. Each one represents continuity. Proof that adaptation is still possible. The future of agriculture is not about controlling the earth. It is about respecting its limits. And as long as the seed can grow, tomorrow remains